it's Gina from orchidandopal.com. So excited to bring you another bead subscription unboxing today. This one is from Adornable Elements. I will leave their link to their website down below. That way you can check out all the details of the various subscriptions that they have. They have multiple bead subscriptions to offer, and then in addition to that, they do single clubs and they do double clubs. So depending on how many beads you want to get every month and how much you want to spend, you have lots of options. So I'm going to be doing the unboxing of the double rotating Beads of the Month Club for the month of March. And I know for me, my box that's up is for seed beads. So this is going to rotate every month through 7 different types of clubs that they have to offer. The price on this one is $39.95 per month, and then the US shipping rate on that is $4.75. So typically it's going to come in a mailer, but mine, because I've been getting this for a while, I'm grandfathered into kind of getting a plastic storage container every so often. What they have done for newer members and for existing members though is they have added some patterns to their site, so it's definitely a nice perk, and you will get the link to that included in your monthly subscription package going forward. So I'm really excited to see what's inside. I only loosened the tape, so I have no idea what's included besides the fact that I know I'm up for seed beads. But every month they have everything really nicely coordinated based on a theme, so I can't wait to see what that is. I'm just going to take everything out of the bubble wrap. Alright, so it looks like our theme is called Phoenix Rising, so maybe some nice golds and reds and that kind of thing. We have our list of what's included. Oh wow, these are gorgeous. So lots of bright reds and oranges and golds and yellows, so definitely looks like some very fiery and warm colors this month. I love that. So included in the Seed Beads of the Month Club, you do get my Yuki seed beads. They're size 11, and you get 8 tubes, as you can see, with 25 grams per tube. I do want to flash a coupon code up real quick before we get into each of these colors. If you want to save 10% off your first month's box of any of their subscription box clubs, you can use the code OPAL10, OPAL10, and that will save you 10% off your first month's box. What that will also do is that will alert them that you are a viewer of my videos and will get you in the same rotation as I am if you decide to sign up for the Rotating Beads of the Month Club. So as I stated with the double Beads of the Month Club for seed beads, you do get 25 grams. If you were to sign up for the single Seed Bead of the Month Club or single Rotating Club of the Month, you would get about half the amount of beads that you see here. You'd still get 8 tubes, but you just get half the quantity. So without further ado, let me take these out and we'll go through each of the colors one by one. Alright, so for our Phoenix Rising theme, we have our list of everything that's included in our box this month, and we have our listing of what the color is called. We have a code that matches up with the sticker on the container. All of your beads are going to be coming in these nice Tic Tac containers, which are really handy to have, as well as it lists on our paper the price that you would expect to pay retail for these beads. Because they're Miyuki, also they're very good quality. They're Japanese seed beads, so they're very uniform in size and color. So the first one, as you can see, is called Matte Transparent Orange AB. It is beautiful. I was just saying that I actually don't have many orange seed beads at all, so I was actually struggling to find some recently, and these are beautiful. Just a very, very vibrant bright orange color. The matte finish, as you can see, so they're not super duper shiny. They are opaque and they have that AB finish on them, which gives them that nice little luster or rainbow effect, as you can see as I'm moving them around. The next color on our list is called Opaque Orange, and that is this one right here. Another very vibrant orange, this one even more vibrant than the first one we saw, but this one being just an opaque orange, so no extra special finish or coating on those at all, just an opaque bright orange, which is great to have in the stash. Next up on our list is called Silver Lined Yellow AB, and that is this one right here. So another very nice color, this one being a very lemony yellow color, and it's got the silver lining inside, as you can see, so it's kind of that crystal or transparent outside, and then inside you have that little flash of silver that comes through in the beads. So very lovely and a nice addition to this box. So I've said it before a bunch of times, but Adornable Elements, especially the rotating beads of the month subscription, is a really great way to build your bead stash if that's something you're trying to do without having to give too much thought to it. The beads come every month and they're always very high quality and come with such a nice selection of colors and finishes. I'm never disappointed with this subscription. The next color is called Silver Lined Orange AB. So just like the yellow we saw, this one is just an orange with the silver lining. So I'll just dump a few of these out so you can take a close look at those. So another very pretty orange, and this one is not just silver lined, but it also has the little AB finish, so it's super shiny. These colors are so summery, they're making me long for some warmer weather. Alright, next up on our list is Silver Lined Flame Red AB, another silver line, this time in a beautiful vibrant red color. And I got a few of these dumped out for you to see right here. It is your classic fire engine red, again with the silver lining and the AB finish, which gives it the beautiful glimmer and rainbow effect. Next up is the Duracoat Opaque Dyed Yellow. The Duracoat meaning that it's got a special coating on it that prevents the color from wearing away. And that is this beautiful goldenrod type color right here. Reminds me of marigolds. Again, a very, very bright opaque color. Nice classic color to have in the collection. The next color on our list is the Duracoat Opaque Dyed Orange, which is this one right here. And I actually find that it's quite similar to what they're calling the Dyed Yellow, which is interesting. It's just a little bit deeper and a little bit more orangey, but it's definitely got a lot of gold in this color, just like the yellow does, because this is more of like an orangey yellow, and this is like a very yellowy orange. So that's kind of interesting, but it's definitely a different shade. So let's take a look at this. So again, this one being the Duracoat Opaque Dyed Orange, so it's got the Duracoat finish on it, which is fantastic, and generally tends to cost a little bit more than the beads that are not coated with the Duracoat finish. And last but not least, to round out our 8 containers is the Duracoat Opaque Dyed Red. And that is this lovely color right here. It is a very, very deep red. Has some brown in it, just a little bit in my opinion. It is a very berry red color and different from any of the shades of red that I currently have, so I'm happy to have that as well. So as usual, I think Adornable Elements did a great job on their theme, Phoenix Rising. Everything's really well coordinated. They've sent such a nice selection of both, not just opaque seed beads, but you also have a nice selection of silver line and AB finish. And like I said, it's just such a nice way to build up the stash. If you wanted to, you could only sign up for seed beads every single month if that's the type of beading that you're into. Otherwise, like I said, I'm part of the rotating beads of the month, so my next month's club is going to be something different. If you want to take a look back at, say, 9-ish months of subscription unboxings that I've done from Adornable Elements, I will definitely leave the playlist linked for you so you can check that out and see if this is the right thing for you. I'm not here to sell you a box at all. This is not a sponsored video. I just really like the subscription. I'm happy to share the fun of the unboxing with you guys. Definitely take advantage of that code OPAL10 if you want to save 10% off your first month's box. If you are a current subscriber, if you subscribed after seeing my videos, let me know what you got this month. If you're also part of the rotating club, did you get a different color selection? I'd love to know. Sometimes the color selections will vary just depending on their stock levels. I want to thank each and every one of you for being here today, for watching this video. I can't wait to be back soon with more finished jewelry updates where I show you some of the things that I've made from the beads that I've received in these boxes, as well as more tutorials and subscription unboxing fun. So thank you guys so much. I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day, and as always, happy beading. If you enjoyed this video, I'd love for you to give it a big thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified of my latest videos. Check out the information section under the video for links to my social media handles and other helpful info, and feel free to check out my shop at orchidandopal.com. Thanks for watching!